Hadien kumba taiew duna jong jingshah pyniap jong uwei Rangbah Briew balatip kyrteng Elius Ryndong ubena shnong Pahammawlein Ri Bhoi District kabala jaha ka khandai tarik ulber hajar pulai ki bor Pulit jong Ri Bhoi District hadin ka jingtre sistem ka baklem sange ban lapsai ya ki Briew ki badan khti ha ka kam pyniap da ka belen themmaun ha ki bynta jong ka khli kadatu ba khli jong teu lanot kalapaj bat thiayap ha ka hi ka ceka hak te jing thuet jong ki Pulit ya ki Briew ki badan khti ha ki jingshah menta kasngi Superintendent of Police Ri Bhoi District Shri Giri Prasad IPS habakaran hakilan pathai khubor ulong baki Pulit handin gamit kila yo kem ya ki Arngut Kiba Kiba La Suba Jur Halor ki jingshah kiba kenthup ya Princes Abraham Sylliang ubaladon live san snem karta wana shnong Pahammawlein Phomer badu Sushil Kurbah ubalah Nongpoh snem karta ubana shnong Umdap Duki Shushu utew he Pulit ulong ro bagi jing tokit ya ki Arngut Kiba syakam daging Suba Jur bagi don khti ha ki jingshah kadang ya sakaman
9th of March 2023 around 5:20 p.m. Barnihat outpost received a telephonic information that there was an unidentified male body found at 20th mile, Ri Bhoi District. So the police team rushed to the spot for further inquiry. On arrival of the spot, it was ascertained that the unknown dead body belonged to Shri late deceased Elius Ryndong of 20th mile, and the body was identified by the family members. And after that, the police team started the investigation process. We also registered the FIR immediately next day, and we started conducting the inquiry. So during the course of inquiry, we ascertained that the person who was deceased went for his work on the early morning of 9th March 2023 and never returned back to his home. So after that, further technical investigations were conducted, and also some of the statements of the available witnesses were taken. So during the inquiry, it was ascertained that the deceased person, Shri Elius Ryndong, had some kind of quarrel with two of the main suspects of this case. That is Shri Princes Abraham Sylliang of 20th mile, Ri Bhoi District, and also Shri Sushil Kurbah of Umdap Duki, falls under Ri Bhoi District. That the deceased person had some quarrel due to some personal enmity with the above two accused persons. So, along with the available technical tower dumps and tower locations, and also the statements of the witnesses, Ri Bhoi Police yesterday, that is on 22 night, around 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. we managed to arrest the two accused persons with regard to this particular case. And also we have registered the case under Nongpoh PS 26/3/2023 under section 302 of IPC. So based on the arrest which we have made, we have forwarded the accused now to the court, and further investigation is in process. We also assure the people of Ri Bhoi that Ri Bhoi Police is very stern of any criminal activities or crime, and we will be always doing the needful to ensure that peace and tranquility prevails in the district. So far, these two accused persons have been forwarded and arrested to the court, but they have not been convicted because investigation is still ongoing, and only after the completion of investigation we will file the charge sheet against the accused persons.